Hello, welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. It is paper pumpkin time again. This is the May 2023 kit, Exploring in Color. So let's go ahead and open up this gorgeous box. As always, we have the tissue paper that wraps the package in. Now we have the June paper pumpkin kit ad. So this is the Welcome In paper pumpkin kit for June. It coordinates with the Countryside Inn suite with all that gorgeous paper. And then while quantities last, I'm not sure if we're still able to, but there are some add-ons for the In Color kit. And this is our set of instructions. We're making 9 cards in this kit with 3 different options. Again, if you haven't seen paper pumpkin before, full color illustrations along with your measuring tape down the side, a summary of all the cards here, and then on the back we've got the contents of the kit, including some additional cards that you can make or projects you can make with the kit. So we've got a set of dimensionals. We've got a copper clay Stampin' Spot, which is one of the new In colors. We've got, I'm assuming that this is, I think it's actually Pebbled Path, maybe it's Wild Wheat linen thread. And we've got our stamp set here, and our stamp set has the it says, "Cheers to another adventure. It doesn't matter where you're going, it's who you have beside you. Life is meant for good friends and great adventures. A really nice happy birthday." We got the walking shoe, we've got the camp mug, and we've got the compass. So we've got all of that. And then we have envelopes. And the envelopes, there's 3 of each to go with each of the cards. Excuse me, I'll just sneeze on the video, no problem. So here we've got our copper clay, and then we've got some Moody Mauve and the Boho Blue. And in here we've got Wild Wheat, and there'll be some Pebbled Path in here, I'm sure. So those are the envelopes with the kit. And here's our card bases. These are spectacular, and they go, it's not just the front, it's the whole card. So you get this big vista going on. And I can see for alternate cards, you could double your card making just by adding this to a different card base, and you could use both back and the front of the card. So there's another card base, again, the full vista. And we've got our greetings tags, a couple sets of those. And here, isn't that gorgeous? Wouldn't you just like to walk down that path and go into the mountains? We were able to go to the mountains here over Easter, and it was gorgeous. It's the first time in years I've been, and we loved every minute of it. And we've got some bonus stickers here with the kit. And then we've got the rest of the die cuts. We've got some binoculars and some compasses there. And then we've got our adhesive dots. So that is the contents of the Exploring in Color paper pumpkin kit for May 2023. So stay tuned for those projects and alternate cards.